Hello, and welcome to BakersfieldInternet.com series on WordPress blogs. Today's video will be all about how to create a post and add it to your WordPress blog. BakersfieldInternet.com does offer hosting for $6.95 a month, and that does include your domain name, and we'll even set you up a WordPress blog, which this site actually is a WordPress blog. This is a theme that you can choose. Another theme might be something like this one here, mybakersfieldprinting.com, where you get business cards and posters and flyers and banners, actually at a great price. And this site is a complete blog as well. These are all posts that were added to our blog. But today, we're going to go ahead and add a news story to onebakersfield.com. This is our news site, and this site also is a blog. So let's go ahead and get to what today's lesson is. We'll click on here. We're going to go to the dashboard where we can log in. Let's go ahead and log in. Now when we're in here, we're going to go ahead and click on Post on the left-hand side in the menu. This will list all of your posts that you've done. Now obviously if you're watching this video, you probably haven't created very many posts yet. So yours will probably say Hello World, which is the default post that is added by WordPress when you set up a blog. But to add a new post, you're going to either click Add New here or here. Both will take you to the exact same location. So we're going to go ahead and click on that and open up a brand new post. And today's post is actually going to be concerning an at-risk adult, which was sent to us by the Bakersfield Police Department. And in the interest of time, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the information versus typing it in, but you can do either. So let's go ahead and bring up our document. This is our Word document, and this is our information on the title. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, and we're going to go right back here and paste that in. Okay, and actually in the interest of Google optimization and having people who want to read our story, we're going to add the lady's name to this as well. Let's go ahead and copy that and add that to our story. Okay. Now, of course, we need content, and this is the body of your content. This is the information that is actually the story. Same thing here. We're going to copy it because we want to do this quickly. Copy. Go back over here, and make sure your cursor is right here inside. Right-click, paste, and there's your story. Pretty simple. Next thing we're going to do, by the way, before we even get to the next step, you have a lot of options up here that you can play with, okay? And basically it's just like any other Word document. You highlight, you click the B, now it's bolded. You click the I, it's italic. So on and so forth. Line through. You can change the size from paragraph to heading. Obviously that's going to be really big. We don't want that. You go back to paragraph. So there we go. So that's how you do that. Next, it's going to be kind of hard to find a missing person if we don't know what she looks like. So again, let's make sure our cursor is right here at the top. We're going to click this little button right here. If you mouse over it, see it says Add an Image. So we're going to click that. It's going to go ahead and open up a little pop-up window. And there we're going to have a couple of options on how we can find our image. We can either find it on our computer, on the internet, or something we may have already uploaded to our library. There's no reason in uploading more than one image of the same photo. So but we're going to stick with our computer because we don't have this image yet. So we click Select File, and that's going to go ahead and open up our screen here, and we're going to find our image, which is called Adult. So we'll click on that, click Open, and it adds it to our site automatically. Just like that. Now, with the image, we have a couple of options. This is our thumbnail, this is the title, and we want to add a little caption here. We want to add the information about the person who's missing. So let's go ahead and copy that. Again, same thing, we just kind of copy. And we click on Paste. Right in the caption area, see our little sensor right there. Paste, and it's there. And then we have a couple choices. Where do we want the photo? On the left, in the center, on the right of the words, or above the words. No formatting around the words. And we're going to go left, by the way. And also our choice in sizes. A thumbnail, medium, or full size. We're going to go medium because we really want them to know who she is. Click Insert into Post, and it go ahead and insert right there. There's our photo. Let's go ahead and move down just a little bit and see our caption. little too far. There it is. So you see the caption showed up right underneath the photo, and all the information is here. Now we need to select where we're going to publish this at. So what we need to do is go down to our categories on the right hand side here. We've already pre-set up our categories, and these are different options that we have with our news. This obviously came from the Bakersfield Police Department, so we want to go ahead and add it to our Bakersfield Police Blotter. And you can always add new categories. So if you want to kind of keep your stories or your information categorized, hence the word categories, you would create a new category, title it, and save your stories in that location. We've chosen Bakersfield Police Blotter. Let's go ahead and scroll up just a little bit. We click on Publish, and WordPress actually does the rest as far as creating the page, creating the information, putting it all together, and it actually loads it right on the server, puts it on the internet, changes to this as Publish Post, and we can even view it. So if we click this, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Click View Post. And there it is. Bakersfield Police Department missing at-risk Margaret Brewer. And her photo, and the information, and the caption, and the highlights, and the bolding, and everything is there. And that's exactly how you create a post. This information actually will get indexed by Google, and it becomes searchable, which then in turn helps you get more hits to your website. And again, we can set you up a blog at no charge if you do your hosting with us at bakersfieldinternet.com. Thank you so much for watching. We'll have more videos created on WordPress blogs and how to create them and how to add them to your site. Thanks again. Have a good day.